It's a nice day out today.
Nice day for some electricity.
This is just so inhumane and wrong. It's wrong.
I know. And we're 100% against using these on actual animals.
Or people.
But 100%
for anything.
for using it on our guy Carlos Lastra.
No, we're not. No, we're not. This is not my idea. I have nothing to do with this video. Won't even be involved in it.
Luckily
Won't
for you
even be in
guys,
the
I
video.
have experience on stuff like this. I've done a lot of extreme games of skating on KA's channel, so.
And then he just comes over and he's like, yeah, no problem.
This is the Pet Safe 300-yard light remote trainer.
What does that mean?
Means that it's a collar that you put on Carlos, and then you have a remote, and you're gonna be holding the remote.
No, I can't.
Yes, you can.
Just look at this. He's like, I'm just a happy little boy. And then this woman right there is like, I'm about to get you. I'm about to get you. He has no idea what's coming to him.
Stop running away.
He's just being so happy and playing in the park. I don't agree with that.
Look at this poor little guy, man.
I know,
he's just so cute.
Right,
He's
does he have
just so
after-
cute.
He's mad because he knows.
He's on the
been
highest
there. He's
setting,
been there.
and he's on the lowest setting. Okay, so
Just so you guys are tracking, electricity to any part of your body is not helpful.
here's what it looks like. Here are the instructions, which we don't need. And
Stop. Do not use this product ever. Remote trainer, pet safe. What is that?
those are the extra prongs.
That is, it's so wrong.
All right, so here is the collar in which you can change the size, and here's the remote. And if you want to shock, you press this button right here. And underneath, these are the two prongs that are delivering the current and shock.
That's terrible.
So let's turn this
Can we
on.
not? Remember when we used to make fun
Oh, here we
family
go.
safe videos?
It's on.
15?
So 15 is the highest one it goes to.
Isn't that a wee bit high?
It might be a little bit high. Do you want to just test out the levels?
No. No, Daniel, this is not right.
You just punched Daniel in the nuts.
Yeah. There's nothing more terrifying to me than electricity.
Okay.
I love that they call it pet safe. Like, oh, this is pet safe. Safe for your pet.
Go ahead.
There it goes.
It went off. I didn't even flinch.
Yeah, because you're like a weird.
Try it, dude. Just try it.
One
once.
time on
One
7,
time, one
and that's all.
Yeah.
That's
Fine,
it.
dude. Just hold-
Gabe's face, he's been waiting for this his entire life.
Press it to your skin.
I didn't even do it. Yeah, you did.
Eddie, are you doing it?
I completely agree with
Who's
him. Nobody wants to play.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Guess it's just me then.
Was that 7?
Any electricity to your body is so bad. Well, who's gonna play Carlos? They won't. They're scared. I'm telling the first thing that's terrified them. My dog is a happy little boy like that.
Yeah, look
Right, Bear? Like a good boy.
All right, Carlos, let me
Whenever you talk to
retrofit this
dogs,
you.
it's like a different world.
No, you're a good boy. Perfect.
Oh, pinch me, you.
I thought Brenna shocked him.
Give us some
A little looser.
A little bit leadway, dude.
I figure if man puts this on man's best friend, this is for all the dogs out there. Oh yeah, it's on. Okay, it's on.
You increase it every time they get a letter.
SK8. Wait. I'm gonna take a sip. Don't do anything. Dude. I can't even swallow while he does that. Oh my god. I was taking a sip. While I was sipping,
Can't swallow?
you press it. No.
We're doing it so you don't have to.
Okay, Rochambeau so you can skunk Troy.
Hell no.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie, dude. We tried the 15 setting yesterday. It felt like my skin was burning.
I didn't think it was that bad.
Are we whole parking this or flat
No,
ground?
flat ground.
I
For
just want to see
anything.
if you feel anything at 2.
All right. Yeah, I feel something.
If there's a little something.
Very light though.
All right, we'll start
All right,
there.
we'll start at
But
2.
I
That's
feel
a safe
something.
zone. So every time they pop, I will remotely shock them to try to throw them off. Yeah, I can do it whenever.
You guys are bad people.
Maybe. But someone has to try it out. Go ahead.
we'll
Can you get me?
Yeah, let Troy do it.
Let me grab my Gatorade. You can take a sip of it.
Dang, I got that swole neck, man.
No, hey, no!
7,
4,
7.
5.
Bad. His entire right side of his body was like, no.
Yeah, it's on 2.
Dude,
We're good.
this is what I love about this guy. Like, he's our photographer, but he's also down. Let's go.
You're lucky I'm not playing you, Carlos. Double flip, fakey, double flip, nightmare flip, fakey, nightmare flip, trade double flip. Done. Oh, this is gonna be good.
Oh, I almost didn't land it.
Hey, you got it, dog. Go for it. Yeah, you don't feel anything on that one.
I think 2 might be a little too low.
Do we get shocked on every trick we try?
Yeah.
My favorite OG singer was Shaka Khan.
Shocking. Carlos, another bad pun.
Keep it basic.
I got him a little closer to his pop on that one.
SMS Volume 1. First, Troy.
I just feel like my neck's constantly being shot now.
Hey man, you guys like my new neck bracelet? Just got it on Amazon.
Smooth operato.
Should we just send it up? Maybe
They're not feeling it.
Maybe
I have nothing to do with this
okay.
video. I'm just here taking my dog for a walk in the park.
So after-
my happy dog.
after
Never will
consensus
shock
and
dog.
consent from the participants, we're starting at 4 instead. And we're gonna end at 12. We're at 4.
Are you just hitting it once? It feels weird.
Wow. Wow.
It's like when you pinch something, but you don't really pinch. That's what it was like.
I don't know what that means, but okay.
It's like this.
Ow! Just wanted to feel my bicep.
I think he's getting used to it.
He kicked it back
so.
to half cab. He's
Carlos
like, I
has
don't
got to
even
get
feel
him a
it
letter.
anymore.
It starts to feel good after a while.
The thing about Carlos is that you have to get him early because the second he stops thinking about it, he's stopping thinking about it.
Too late.
We're not a science channel, but these guys really get scientific. Well, these muscles here are attached to your cranial sacral system. Go ahead, go ahead.
Like I said, it's like being pinched without being pinched.
I love how Troy just goes like casual switch heel after every trick.
Nothing at this point.
Just nothing. Easy.
I think you gotta crank it a little bit.
Should I just crank it and not tell them?
That was beautiful.
Thank you, man.
Secret Hawaiian.
It's been a while since I did. Oh no, the camera.
Vicky, half cab, heel flip.
That was amazing.
Especially when you have a shock collar on your neck.
I switched it to number 5. Crank it up to what? 7? Yeah. I'm in charge? What do you mean? Oh, you got me there.
Did you raise it?
I didn't raise it.
I swear it's a 6 now.
I would never, ever do that without your permission. Unfazed. For those of you guys who don't know, we've changed it to number 7. Is Troy shaking?
Yeah, totally fine.
Yeah, man, we're good. Having a rough day.
Oh,
No one has a letter yet.
You're inhumane.
Yeah.
So dirty. Just the dirtiest trick in skateboarding.
Hey, I was
Come on.
watching one of Carlos's old video parts, and he used to have pop.
Just remember what I said about him being inhumane. As he's shocking him, he's ridiculing his pop.
I don't have any pop either. I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate in this video, but I love Carlos so much.
I haven't done heel flips since I got really badly farted. For the pop.
That's up 2, right?
All right, so we're going up 2. Now we're at 9.
There's something. It's like somebody who flicks you in the neck, but it's like getting flicked 10,000 times at 1 second.
And happy animals and happy dogs.
Sounds a little like a Bob Ross video.
It's getting more intense. Oh man, that's not meant to be felt by anyone, even a dog.
Gabe is so, look at his face. He's never been happier.
No, I swear I would not have done that. Aussie literally told me to do it.
I might have a word with you later, mister. Let's go. Oh, it's gonna hurt. Go. Ah, that one sucked. That one sucked. Ah, that really, like, I don't know if you saw, but look at my neck, slow motion. It go like this.
Thanks a lot, Aussie. I'm gonna put it on the other side of my neck.
I'm really afraid for Troy on this one.
At least let me pop first. Ah! That is a shocker. I would have landed that. I would have landed that. I think I'm out. You win, dude.
That was only A. So it's on 11 right now for Carlos, but once we go back to Troy, he'll stay at 10.
Notice that Carlos volunteered himself for that. Just notice that. Crazy guy, this guy's crazy.
Don't do it. It sucks, okay? This is like a prime example. Do not do this, ever.
He's like the Mahatma Gandhi of 2019.
He's just like the Braille guinea pig, and he wants to show you guys what it's like to experience this.
Don't shock a guinea pig, guys. Come on.
Any owner of this, before you put it on your dog, you need to put it on yourself first.
The shock collar on Carlos, and every time Cthulhu is gonna come out, we just shock Cthulhu back into
I think that would
dormant
make it
state.
worse.
Ah! Oh, it's gonna hurt. Ah! It hurts. It hurts.
I mean, he did play Taser game of skate
He's
before.
unbeatable. Blame this on Nigel.
No,
Nigel's just a
we're not blaming
good
Nigel
guy.
Alexander. We're just saying that it was a good idea.
We love you, Nigel.
Gummy bears are very good, though.
Truth.
You can see it from there.
Oh, God.
Conquered it with the fakey kickflip. Wow.
He said he's down to try one flat ground kickflip on the highest level 15.
What a guy.
What a guy.
He's like, ah! Carlos, the Jedi monk. Nothing phases him in nothing. Immune.
How's it going?
I think he raised it up on me on that one. I'm gonna whoop your butt, dude.
I didn't raise it, dude. It's on
I
11.
I swear to you.
I'm with Carlos on this.
That was not 10, dude. Are you sure?
I would not do that to you, Troy. I respect you way too much. Carlos, not so much.
I know. I told you.
Bumping it up to 12 for Carlos. All right, we bumped it up to 12.
Terrible.
That's where it's starting to get distracting.
The shock thing is weird.
He went from screaming the previous try, and then he just landed a switch here.
Get this guy. What do I try? What should I do? I just want to get on the one letter. Oh, I'll try. It's been a while. It's gonna be a kick down double flip.
Oh no! Almost clutched up.
Oh, give you all.
Oh god.
Why did I tell them my weakness? Why?
I have to at least get him some letters, you know.
Oh no! I almost had it.
Do you want to go up for your letter, or are you staying there?
Keep me there.
Troy,
Dude, it's
I
sore.
did bump you up to 11.
It's
for
sore.
your T, though.
Is your brain tingled right now?
We're slowly unlocking like more of their brain's potentials.
I don't know.
What is it, 10%
Mine's going
at the moment?
reverse.
Dang, boy.
This game is actually a lot better. I'm glad you volunteered. Oh, I hate you, Gabe.
Carlos can do anything, just anything.
That was supposed to go primo, it looked like.
I'm gonna say this once more, guys. Do not do this
I
at
catch
home.
tricks mid-air primo,
And don't
dude.
do this to your dogs, or your humans, or any form of animal, or pretty much anything.
Or your humans.
Or
Please
your
don't have
grandmother.
humans.
Don't do it
Humans
to
are
your
free.
fellow humans. This video is absolutely shocking.
That felt all kind of weird. There you go.
All right, new rule from now on. If you fall, you get a shock at 15.
Oh.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
His
I'm
face.
100% kidding.
Oh, that one hurt. Dude, my neck's getting sore.
Sore? It's getting stronger.
Every time he pops, he just goes. If you saw Dragon Ball Super Broly, leave a comment below. What did you think of it?
Let's go.
Carlos and I saw it many times.
That was not 10, Gabe. That was not 10.
What was it?
I told you were at 11, dude.
Oh, it felt like it was like a few notches higher.
The highest I've gone is 12 for Carlos. That's it. He said it's actually kind of fun.
Once you get past the fear part, it's not that bad. It
Yeah,
just
it's
it
like-
still hurts.
Because it adds the challenge element, you know? Right?
Mental.
Yeah.
Because we could
totally.
physically do these tricks. Just can you take the shock in the process?
You want your proof? Here's your 11. I didn't raise it.
I almost knocked out. All right, last one.
Oh, Troy.
Aaron feels my pain right now. What if I just knock out midair? Just like,
Shock him after.
did you even shock me? You didn't shock me. Oh, you didn't even shock me.
Oh, there it
One try at
All
15.
right, one try.
Do or die, kick flip attempt.
Bumping it up to 15. All right, you're at 15.
Ow! Ah, okay. I'm dead. We survived.
Now Gabe gets a 15 to the neck.
You haven't gotten a 15 to the neck.
Yeah, I know. But I will do it if you do it.
Suck.
We have nothing to prove here.
You guys have it. If you ever want to skate with a shock collar, that's what it's like. Don't do it.
Wow, there you go. Never
Yeah.
try that ever. It does nothing good for anyone ever. Check out all the other videos right there. You guys will have an absolute blast watching those. Like, subscribe, leave a comment below. And we will see you in the next video tomorrow.
I got shocked so hard I'm stunned.
I'm shocked.
I can't even blink.